God, before opening my phone, before checking the time, before remembering my problems, I just want to come to you. Because my heart is anxious, my mind is tired, my soul feels heavy, and you already know everything. God, I am tired, but I still believe that you are with me right now. I believe you are watching me. I believe you care about me. I believe I am not alone. You are with me. God, today I did not come pretending to be strong. I did not come pretending that everything is okay. I came exactly as I am, confused, full of hope, broken, still trying, still breathing, still alive. And that must mean something. God, thank you for showing me a new day today. Thank you for giving me another chance, another breath, another moment to try again. Even though yesterday was painful, even though I failed, even though I cried quietly, even though I doubted myself, still, you showed me this beautiful day, and I do not want to waste it. God, I do not have all the answers, but I trust you. I do not know how everything will be okay. I do not know what my future will look like. I do not know how my problems will end, but I know that you are greater than all of them. So today I trust you, even if that trust is small, even if it is shaky, even if it is quiet. Still, I trust you. God, today I give you all my fears, the fear of failing, the fear of being incomplete, the fear of disappointing people, the fear of money, the fear of illness, the fear of losing someone, the fear of being forgotten, the fear of staying in this condition forever. I give all of this to you because I cannot carry this weight anymore, because it is too heavy for my heart. God, please give me peace, not fake peace, not temporary peace, real peace, the peace that sits inside my heart, the peace that helps me breathe, the peace that reminds me that everything will be okay. Even if nothing changes immediately, God, calm my thoughts. My mind does not stop. My mind keeps remembering old mistakes. My mind keeps thinking about future problems that have not even happened yet. Please slow it down. Please calm it. Please hold it gently. God, protect my heart. Protect it from jealousy. Protect it from anger. Protect it from hopelessness. Protect it from giving up. Let me stay soft. Let me stay kind. Let me stay human. God, today I ask for strength. Not only physical strength, but emotional strength, mental strength, the strength to move forward, the strength to try again, the strength to forgive, the strength to be patient, the strength to stay gentle in a harsh world, the strength to stand when I feel like sitting, the strength to smile when my heart feels heavy. God, I need your guidance, because sometimes I do not know what to do. Sometimes every option feels wrong. Sometimes I get lost in my own life. Please show my steps the right path. Guide my words. Guide my decisions. Guide my time. Close the doors that bring me pain. Open the doors that bring me healing. And if I walk on the wrong path, then gently bring me back. Not with shame, not with fear, but with love. God, I pray for my family. You know their struggles. You know their pain. You know their dreams. Please protect them. Heal them. Provide for them. When I cannot take care of them, you take care of them. God, I pray for all those who feel lonely right now. They need to feel your presence. They need to feel seen. They need to feel understood. They need to feel loved, even if no human is showing them love right now. God, I pray for those who are stressed about money, bills, rent, food, school, responsibilities. Please provide in ways we do not expect. At times we do not understand, through miracles we cannot even imagine. God, I pray for those who are worried about their health, pain in the body, hidden pain, pain in the mind. Please touch them gently, heal them slowly, give them endless peace. Remind them that they are not alone. God, I pray for those who are carrying the weight of regret, mistakes, wrong decisions, words they wish they could take back. Please forgive them. Please forgive me. Please remind us that our past does not decide our future. Tell us that we are allowed to grow. that we are allowed to change, that we are allowed to become better. God, forgive me for the moments when I doubted you, for the moments when I blamed you, for the moments when I ran away from you when I should have come closer to you. Please forgive me, my loving God, and thank you that even before I asked, you already forgave me. God, thank you for staying with me when I was lonely, when I was fallen in a deep valley. Thank you for loving me when I was silent. You waited for your lost sheep when it had wandered away. You believed in me when I did not believe in myself. God, today I ask for clarity. Clarity in my thoughts, clarity in my feelings, clarity in my decisions, clarity in my purpose. God, I ask for patience with people in difficult situations. With myself, I am learning. I am healing. I am moving forward. Please protect me from forcing the process to end too soon. Create stability inside me. Please protect me from hating the journey. Teach me to trust your decided timing. God, teach me to feel small blessings, sunlight, quiet moments, deep breaths, kind words, small smiles. Teach me to be grateful, no matter how life is. God, teach me to walk with hope, not loud hope, not dramatic hope, quiet hope, strong hope, the hope that says, keep going, do not stop. The hope that says, you are not finished, your potential is still alive. The hope that reminds me, God is still working and His hand is on your head. God, if today I feel weak, remind me that I am human. If I feel broken, remind me that you still love me. If I feel empty today, remind me that you are still with me. God, I place my whole day in your hands. My words, my work, my thoughts, my reactions, my decisions. God, walk ahead of me, walk with me, stay behind me, surround me. God, I do not want to live alone. Today I want to live with you. In my heart, in my words, in my silence, in my strength, in my weakness. God, I am tired, but I still believe that you will give me strength. I do not have all the answers, but I still trust you. Today I give you all my fears, and I ask for your peace. I ask you for strength. I want your love. I receive your mercy. I ask you for hope. God, thank you for listening to me. Thank you for caring about me. You never leave me alone. Thank you for being gentle with my soul. Today, I choose you, not because I am perfect, but because I need you, and I know you are enough for me. I walk into this day carrying you with me, with peace in my chest, with hope in my soul, with trust in my steps. And whatever happens today, I will remember that you love me. I am not alone. I am protected. I am never alone. God, answer my questions, hear my prayers, and accept them. I ask in the name of your beloved Son, Jesus Christ. Amen.